In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn any picture into a talking image for free, just like the one you are seeing currently. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, like this video, comment, and share this video to someone that may need it. So let's get started. So you head over to your Play Store or App Store. And search for this app called Dub, spelled like this, and search for it now. So this first one, Dub Lab Talking Photo. So this is the app. So you install the app. You wait for it to install. So after installing, so the next thing you want to do is to open the app. So they will tell you Talking Photos would like to send a notification, so you can allow notification or don't allow, but for the sake of this tutorial we're going to allow notification. So the next thing you want to do, so the app open like this. Ideally you can start creating your stuff from here, but we would want to sign up so your project can be saved. So you go to profile. So once you go to profile, you see log in or sign up. Don't have an account, sign up. So we don't have an account, so you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, they're going to ask you for your email and your password, or you can sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using your Apple ID, as the case may be. So I already have an account, so I will just go to log in. So I already have an account with I signed up using my Apple ID, so I will just click on login using Apple ID. So I will just continue. So it will load. Going to load, and here we are. So I'm already logged in. So this is the app, the Dub app interface. So from the interface you can see several styles. So these styles are ones you can actually use, and you can put your face in place of these faces that are here, and you can do what you want to do. But what we are doing in this tutorial is to make a picture talk. So to do that, this icon that is here that looks like a plus sign, you click on it. So once you click on it, you see add your photo. Now you go to you click on upload your photo. You see examples of a good photo, examples of a bad photo. So you see that there. So they're not trying to tell you the kind of photo that you can use. So you just click on got it. So the app would ask you to access your photo, so you can allow access to all photos, right? So it brings us to this place, right, to bring it to your gallery where your photos are. So for this tutorial I used this photo that is here. So there's a photo I use, a green screen guy, that is smiling on the photo. So this is the photo I use, so I'll choose this one. So I'll choose this photo that is here. So we allow the photo to upload. So this is the photo I used. So this is the photo, right? So the next thing you want to do is to press next. So after pressing next, they're going to ask you to add an audio to your project. So you click on add an audio. Now in this add an audio segment, you can either use AI voice for your audio, or you can record directly what is less than 3 minutes audio here. Or if you have a file already, maybe you've already done your voicing already and you have the file on your phone, you can click on this audio file to add it. And you also have video file. So if your audio file is in a video, you can click on this video file, select the video, so they will automatically extract the audio into your project. For this AI voice, once you click on this AI voice, you see they'll ask you to type what you want your project to say, or what you want your character to say. So here you can type what you want, and you can select the voiceover, you can select the speed, you can select the pitch, and generate and upload your voiceover. Right, but me, I already have a file already, so I did an audio. I've already recorded an audio already that I'm going to use. So I'll just click on audio file. So once I click on audio file, they're going to bring you to your gallery, to your file manager where your file may be. So this is my file. The file I used for the tutorial was intro talk. So I'm going to click on this audio file. So it will upload. Allow it to upload. Okay, so you already have it. So the next thing you want to do is to click on make talking photos. So you click on make talking photo, and you can see processing. So it usually takes around 10 minutes to process a 1 minute clip. So sometimes it's very, very fast, and sometimes it can be quite slow. But once it's processing, you just leave it, and once it's done, they will tell you that your project is completed. That's the reason why you enable notifications, so that they will tell you that your project is completed, and you can come and download your project, like the one I did for this for the intro of this video. This is the one that is down here, right? So once the project is ready and they notify you, you are going to come to this place and click on this download icon. So you see video, photo. So you want to click on the video and press done to download the video to your phone. So you can see video downloaded successfully. So on this part, you can see to download this project, you need credit. So you can see I have 6.8 credit there. So to get more credit, you can watch an ad on the home page for you to get more credit. So you can use those credits to okay, our file is ready. So you can see the file is now ready for us to download to our phone. So you can click on the download, like I told you before, to download. So back to the credit. So to get more credit, you can just click on watch and ads on this page. So once you click on watch and ads, you're going to display an ad for you, and once you watch that ad, you get 1 credit free. So the more you watch ad, the more you get credit free. Or if you don't want to go through the hassle, you can click on upgrade to upgrade your account. So you can have a premium account whereby you pay monthly for credit. You can see 1 minute talking photo is equal to 13 credit. You understand? So if it's up to 1 minute, it's equal to 13 credit. So you need to have 13 credit to create up to 1 minute talking photo. But for me, I prefer to watch an ad, so I can get more credit. So I will just click on watch an ad. The ad will display, after I'm done watching the ads. So they're going to show you a notification icon that is there to stop it. So once you stop it, then you get 1 credit for free. You can see I just got 1 credit for free. So that's how to get free credit on this app, so you can be able to create more projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that I get notified each time I drop a new video. And see you on the next